just a quick view of my front mount setup. Piping shoots down, then hooks up to that 90-degree coupler, comes around. Fitment's not the best. I might end up getting longer 90-degree couplers eventually. It's 2.5 to 3.5 because this doesn't really want to fit that well on there. But I got a good amount of the piping here, and it's on. This is where that bulge is for the intercooler right here, where my thumb is at. So it's on there, it's just this is kind of hanging off. And then same with this, it's kind of just hanging off a little bit here. But then it wraps around, goes on up, and then it hooks up to the throttle body here with my bypass. And that's it. Custom crash bar. Only could get 2 bolts in here with how it's currently set up, but this thing doesn't go anywhere. To fill in the gap here, had to use 3 washers along with the screws, but oh yeah, it's painted kind of like this gray Mishimoto M line. And there we go. Yeah,